Now we can see the data into the posting days in order format. Earlier it is not like that. Okay. Now we'll see it. Now we can go back. Now we can go back. We can execute the DTP. And this is the DTP, data transfer process. Don't confuse. See, I loaded 25 records and refresh it. Once it is green everything, then I will go to the administer data target. Now select the request. I can see two requests. So before loading to PSA, I loaded one time and getting zero records. No need to worry. Activate it. So I'm trying to activate both. So again it is failed. I need to understand this. Why it is failed. I will refresh it. So if we are facing like these issues, we'll learn more. So why it is failed again? Again we need to go activation tab, activation log. Open this one. Now it will throwing error again date. What is the date? Again it is throwing 2025 1301. Again it is throwing 2013-01. So I can do one more thing in another way. Dropping and reloading. Apart from that, I can go here. When I load data initially, data will store into new table. I'll go new table and execute it. Okay, now what is the date here? See here, it is taking date is like no after 12th month, it is taking 13, 14, 15. So this is the issue. Generally, this is the date 01/01/2025, 01/02. I mean month is and 01/3. Okay, like this, it is stating like no 13 is month, 14 is month, 15 is. There is no recurse. There is no okay proper date. So what I will do, I'll select these options. Only data issue. Our modeling and all fine. Only data issue. So real time you are not providing data. Okay. Business will provide the data. Understand it. So I'm wantonly giving the error. I'm wantonly giving the error to you to understand more. Okay. Why I'm giving wantonly? I just click on code, double click on code, I'm getting this one. Go on, give edit, enter, and then you need to click on this one, continue. So once now we can change it, date. What is the date? Now I can give 02.09 I will give. Okay. As per my wish, I will give date. Now save it. Invalid data. Again, it is showing invalid data. I will select from here. Okay. Now I will save it. Why it is throwing error? Invalid data. Okay. It's fine. Huh? Okay, it is not allowing. Okay, might be issue with the okay 01/01/2025. Let's see, save it. Still throwing error. Why it is not taking? Okay, save it. Can I give this date instead of this one? Date format should be dot only. Okay. Okay, not posting date. Posting date is fine. This date only wrong. Okay, okay. We have two dates. Shut. Okay, 2/1. Change it. Yeah, now it is taken. So we have two dates. I'm looking only posting date, not calendar day. So this is the date. Okay. Now I will go to next record. Okay. Now here, is it correct 14 month? Is it correct 14 month? No. I'll give 09. I'll give 09. Here also I'll give 09. Okay. Now I will save it. See, now we don't have any issue. Now other record. 15 month. We don't have 15 month. Okay. I will give 8. Okay, I will give 8. Okay, now save it. Okay, next I will go to other record. So like this, we have to do it through ABAP debug. This generally in the production might be you will have, but don't tell to your team. I'm doing through debug. Okay, this is extra your performance. They think like you are going to change code through debug something. So that is why just keep change the data and don't tell anyone. I changed to a web like that. However, they're expecting just change the data and just be calm. No one can trace you. No one can trace you. In the real time, if you are facing more than 100 records or 50 records, don't do. Okay. Okay. Drop the data and change in the PSA. So we already done it last time in the PSA level. That is the way I'm doing it in the other way. So all records are completing. So that is the way I'm not getting any other option now. So this is the way we can do changes as well. Okay. Once it is done, I will go back. Now you can see from here onwards, 13 records onwards, you can see dates are changed. Okay, here you can see 13 month, 14 month, 15 month, right? Once refresh, you can see now 13, 14 record. Okay, is it changed? We have two dates. This is posting date, this posting date, fifth field. Also, we have a calendar day, it is a change date. Okay, now go back, only data issue, that's it. Okay, now you can select this option. This I will delete it. Okay, anyhow, this is zero records only. Okay, I will delete. Okay. Oh, both deleted. Fine. Then, okay. By mistake, both deleted. So in the new data, we don't have any data actually. Okay, fine. I will delete. I will manage. I will try to do change here. This is a posting date. Here you can see it. So I can do changes at one time. See here. I'll select here. Do it. What is the date today? 25. Okay. I given at one time. Okay. Select this and I will change it later. So in the real time, you don't do like this. And if you have, say, all the records are same, then you can do it. Okay. And then I will do it for 7th. We have to do some changes. In the report level, we need to show. Okay. Okay, fine. So I'm selecting and saving it again. Okay, if records are done. So fine. So now we will load data and we will see it. We will not paste this time. So in two ways, through ABAP code also you can change it and you can do changes in the PSA. So better go for PSA, and if you have only one or two records, you can go to debug. If you have multiple 1,000 records, 100 records, don't go for. So because it will take time, unnecessarily kill the timing. Why we have to do in for 1 hour to spending that editing the data? Act like smart in the team. Now you can go and check it, okay? In the active table, you can check it. So I'm not facing any records, okay? Data issue. Now data is shown correctly 25, 25, 9. You can see different months also, 7, 9, 6, 5, 4. That's fine for our reporting. Okay, understood, right? So now you can see in the change law table as well. So what I want to show you, I will try to load multiple times again. Okay. I want to load multiple times. So again, I will load here. Okay, in the PSA, I already changed it. In the file level, I need to do changes. Okay, then I will execute the DTP multiple times. Okay, I load it. Just observe it. Okay, I'm not loading PSA because again the file having wrong data. I need to do the changes in the PSA level every time. So it will take more time. So, okay, you can see and activate it completely. Now you can see here 25 records came and 25 records updated. Now you can go to here, content. You can go active table. So generally for the item DSO, we saw 50 records. We loaded 20 times, two times. So how many records are there here? 25 only. We are having only 25 records only. Why we having 25 records? Any idea? Oh, this is standard DSO. Okay, it will have override property, override functionality. So due to this, it's overwriting the data. Even if you load 1,000 times, it will have only 25 records only. Because same records you are loading, overwriting. Are you getting me? If it is a right DSO, if you load two times, it will have 50 records. If you load three times, it will have 75 records. If we load four times, 100 records. So for the first time, 25 records. Okay, if we load fifth time, 125. If we load sixth time, it will be like. Why? Because it is happening. So it will have only one record, one table, active table, based on the technical keys. What are the technical keys? Record number, package number, packet number, request number. You have to tell, okay, don't come. Okay, if you are in calm, okay, I think you are not understanding, maybe you are sleeping. Okay, just you join and you are sleeping, might be. Okay, based on the technicals, what are the technical keys? Record number, packet number, request number. Based on these three fields, you are getting the data every time, new record. It is treating like every time, new record. So that is the way you are getting like, no, keep on editing the data. In the standard ESO, we don't have these three fields. Do you see these fields? Do these fields? Technical keys are there? No. Packet number, record number, no. I'll go to the change log table. Okay, how many records are there here? 25. You can see here, same records only you can see. 25 records only you can see. Here even we have request number, packet number also. It will take like same records only. Okay, are you getting me? Clear? Clear? Standard ESO will support for override and submission. Are you clear? Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. If you're calm, I think you are sleeping. Okay. Okay, standard ESO having two functionalities. Two functionalities. Two functionalities. Standard ESO having two functionalities. So right arm DSO, it will not work. Right arm DSO, it won't support for overwrite or summation. Due to by default, it will have overwrite. That is the why it is overwriting the data. Even if we load 1,000 times, only 25 records only would be there. See, again I will load. Did you observe yesterday and today data load? For right arm DSO, keep on adding. For standard DSO, I am loading multiple times. It will have only one time data because of override and activity. Select this request and do it. Do the practical and ask me questions. I'm expecting answers from whoever already listened 2 times, 3 times from them. Okay, Vanilla and SSV. Okay, you are not listening first time. You are listening multiple times. So you have to tell.
I
Yeah,
yes, Anna.
yeah, yeah. Okay. So if we go to active table, if we see the data, if we see the data, so now you can see 25 records only. Why 25 records? Based on the override. Okay. Yeah. Clear, right? Don't doubts, right? For item DSO, I can see multiple records. Why? Because based on the technical keys. Huh? Clear, right, in this? Why item DSO having multiple records based on the technical keys? Let me show you again that one. Where is item DSO? This is item DSO. So we change the data source, right? So it is in active mode. So whenever transformation inactive, some changes happen. So I change this one. Storage location. Activate it. So I'm loading to item DSO. You have to understand the structure. Okay. Go to see. I don't want to do activation for this. Do you have activation option? You have to observe. That is what you need to tell in the interview. For item DSO, we don't have activation option to activate it. We don't have any tables, new table and change law table. Having only one table, active table. This is active table. There is no new table. There is no change law table. They given the space, but it is blank. When I go here, you can see request number, data packet number, partition number, and data record. Based on this technical keys, I can see multiple records. Again, I will load. I can see again 2 times 50 records will come. This is only difference. This time we'll get any records? Tell me why. Any idea why we got zero records? Why we got zero records? Can you tell me? Because it is a delta DTP, we don't have any records in the source level. New request we don't have it. We have only one request that we already updated, and after that we didn't load to the PSA. So for delta it is looking for new request based on the request level, right? So we don't have any new request, so that is the way it is not getting zero records. So if you do the full DTP, if you do the full DTP, copy, I can do it. If we do the full, so it will bring every time. That is the difference between delta DTP and full DTP. Full means every time it will bring. So now you can see X good, it will bring. In the same way, delta DTP it is not bring. So it will bring 25. See, every time it will bring. Now you can see in the item DSO, we can see 3 requests, 50 records. Only one table, and how many records are there? 50. See, for standard ESO, it will be 25 only. Just I'm showing you differences multiple times. Okay. Again I will load here. Again I am loading. So this is full DTP. It will bring it again. Okay. Full data, it will bring historical data. So every time it will bring full. Delta it will not bring. It will look for new request. It is available or not. Now I can see 75. So have you observed right arm DSO and standard DSO? Right arm DSO it will allow duplicates. If you load same data, if you load multiple times same data, it will take it up. But standard ESO it will not like that. It will be overwriting every time. Okay, clear, right? For two DSOs, very important in the real time. Okay, if you have any doubts and send through your questions to WhatsApp. Okay, okay, bye.